Dito na lang.
Against straight kasi. Okay, dito. Ayun ko na siya. Okay.
Dito na lang.
Okay. Okay. Okay, at receiving a snap point. Dito na ba po? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for our medical para sa ako. Okay, first of all, para sa ating mga stalwarts, hindi ko na-stores pa sa nakalang season ko. First, we na po mga the best outside hitter from Panda Black, Mr. Reggie Pascual. Okay, congratulations, Mr. Reggie Pascual, for giving awards now. Next award po, thank you my dancer. Next award po is Season 3 Best Outside Hitter, Mr. Faisal Khan. Wala. Bulot ulit. Wala. Next award po is Best Single Flower, si Mr. Ronald De La Cruz. Okay, give it up! Okay, next one is for the best middle hitter. Yung ating puntok, si Mr. Ian Josh English. Man known for life science. Of course, best all-star. And next, also next word is for the best opposite partner, yung marunong sa tukwato, si Mr. Gwen. Okay, pumasok na. Okay, ano na po, sinigang po, maraming salamat po. Nakina na po, bakit daw yung teddy bear?
Okay ha, pakiano nyo po dyan. Okay, compare our
Of course, next award is for best hero. Siyempre, si Mr. Nixon Berghain.
Akin ang teddy bear. Ayan, ang teddy bear lang.
Okay, walang lumalapat sa kanina. And first, last but not least, ang marunong umata sa season ito, the best setter of the season is
Okay, tapos na po mga individuals. Now, we'll not call na for the season's MVP. Main season's MVP goes na to Mr. Shafiq Ibrahim. Nakatansa. Congratulations po for winning the MVP. Yan po is from Philcats. Mr. Ibrahim. Ayan, he's MVP po yan. Pag-compress po kayo, please. Ano na? Okay. Okay, yan po ang kanilang ano.
Paano ka ba? Uy, ako ba wala ka ba?
Okay. Okay, picture muna po lahat po ng mga awardees po natin. Maraming salamat po. Picture pa kayo muna. Picture muna po kayo. Picture lang. Picture. Picture po tayo. Yan. Yan po ang stalwart po natin ngayon sa nakarang season ng Qatar Sparkers League. And also thank you very much po for Qatar Sparkers League for giving me the chance now to be the MC.
Okay na. Sige.
Okay, now with the officials po ng Qatar Sparkers League. Oh, that's my...
Okay na po.
Shy naman. Okay, that's it now for the individual awardees po natin. Congratulations po. They're receiving individual trophies and of course, top toys po yan courtesy po ng Qatar Sparkers League. Next award, please. Now receiving silver trophy, banners, and of course, ang ang cash, gold cash. Hindi ko pa lang magkano po yan, pero malaki daw yan, sinasabi nila. Plus in gold cash. Panda hitters winning. Congratulations po Panda hitters for winning the ball, for winning second runner-up trophy. Huwag yung takpan yung mamukha naman. Ano ba? Yung banner po, sarap na po sana. Yan, itabi sa trophy. Yan, thank you. Okay, thank you.
Progress kayo ba para maganda yan?
Okay, ready?
Okay, Panda hitters, so Panda Black Panda po, nanalo po ng first runner-up.
Okay, isa pa. One.
And now,
Okay, isang pose pa. 1, 2, 3.
okay, congratulations po, kudos po yan sa Panda hitters. And now, for the championship, winning trophies, individual medals, and many, many more, plus gold cash, is Panda Volley Boys! Congratulations for winning trophies, individual medals, and of course, gold cash. Hindi ko po alam kung magkano po yan, pero sabi ko malaki daw yan. Trophies and gold cash, and of course, label po po. Sabi po natin po ang bragging rights. Okay, thank you po na po sa sa Collagen Active for sponsor po ng season po nito. At the same time, Panda Volleyball Sport, Panda White po is receiving now trophies, gold cash, and of course, individual medals. Yan. Yan, kakaiba yung medals na yan. Ano na, masyadong makulay na. Congratulations po muli po, Panda. Panda Volleyballs or Panda White for giving its best game of the day. And of course, receiving a championship trophy. And of course, yung kanilang ikang label, plus Cold Cash. Okay, congratulations po again po. And again, see you again po muli po. Again, next season po.
Picture tayo, Mamika.
Next season muli po, June 6 ng Qatar Sparkers League. Maraming salamat po and have a nice game po, weekend po sa ating pong lahat. Thank you very much po and of course, goodbye.
Ay, so magandang balls. 1, 2.
Mamika rin tayo.
Picture kami ah.
Okay.